Angelina! Angelina!
Ah! Oga Buchionye. Good morning, Keki.
I didn't come here for this your useless pleasantries.
Oh,
get away! Where is that your idiotic, stupid son? Your church rat of a son, you cho. Where is he? Where is your useless son? You don't know how to talk again. Or have you gone dumb?
How can I answer such question? Because my son is not stupid and useless. I have only but one son. His name is Onyeka. He is the most hardworking, handsome man I have ever seen.
Really?
Yes.
You just shut your mouth. What do you call hard work? Selling of broom? That other people will climb palm tree to go and bring? That makes him hardworking? Oh, please. Selling of broom, is that what he's going to use to take care of my daughter? As he's running about now, wanting to come and ask for her hand in marriage. I don't want that marriage. Tell your son that that marriage will not work. Did you hear what I said? That marriage will not work. QED. Into your head.
Ogo, Butu.
Who's your...
Can't you go dig? Digi, Omakwani Bereba Ipiha. Is your husband aware that you are here?
This shows you're so empty.
Because my son has gone out to his kinsmen because so that they can come to your house today as planned.
You're so daft and empty. You don't know the value of marriage. Husband and wife are one in marriage. So my husband and I are one in this matter. I do not want him nor his stupid legs into my compound. Else, he will see war.
Evelyn, now let me tell you. Your husband is the only person that has the right to say that, not you.
Really?
Yes.
It's like you've forgotten who I am. I am still the almighty Evelyn.
Who are you, Evelyn?
Evelyn. I am Evelyn.
Are you the only rich woman in this community? I am asking you. There are too many other rich women in this community. Yet, they are humble and accommodating. Are you feeling like God? Is it because we respect you? Who do you think you are?
You know those people you talk about? They do not know their value. I know my worth and I know my value. I came to warn you, to beg your son to stay away, and you openly made yourself my enemy. Tell your son to come. I will be waiting for him.
Evelyn, I know how many times my son has been telling me of the help he has been rendering to you and your family, and how well you spoke of him. How come that you suddenly changed? Is it not a sign of ungratefulness? Are you not ungrateful?
What am I ungrateful for? That he runs errands for me as a houseboy? That he runs errands for the family as a houseboy? That means you're daft, you're empty in your head. So if I come run errand for you, I'll marry your husband. Such a big wait. I'll wait for him.
And prepare good food for him, and his kinsmen. They are coming. Just imagine. Imagine. You feel like God. Who do you think you are, Evelyn? Anyway, my son must marry your daughter, whether you like it or not. I don't blame you. It's because my son, my son just saw your daughter and loved her. That is the only problem. If not, what anything wanted to do with you?
I was on my way to your house. Where are you going?
You would have missed me because I have so much to do today. I'm rushing somewhere.
Hey, thank God I met you here. You see, God, he answers prayers. So, I need your help.
I hope no problem, my sister.
Akonna, your sister's house is on fire.
Hey.
Even there may be that one negi, even there may be that more.
What is it?
I want you to take me to Agonkwo immediately.
What?
Yes.
Has it gotten to that?
Are you taking me there or not? Can't go, has it gotten to there?
Hey.
Are you taking me now?
Take. You can have it, take.
Yeah? What is the money for?
You can have it. It's yours. Just use the money and buy something for yourself. Just see it as an empowerment to better this your very, very wretched life.
Are you insulting me?
For me to insult you, you must be somebody. You are nobody now. I'm even giving you a compliment, self. See, let me tell you, there is more where this money came from. You understand? And I'm willing to give it to you. Just leave Oledo for me. I'll give you. Well, this thing is just a tip of the iceberg. Take.
I can see this is because of Oledo, huh?
Of course, take the money.
Anyways, my heart is not for sale.
What did you just say?
I said my heart, is not for sale.
Hey, see this poor man. So you reject a lifetime offer like this? Maka why?
Yeah. Let me warn you. Don't ever in your life stop me again to make this type of offer. Don't ever in your life stop me again to make this type of offer. I will never trade Oledo, even if your generation unborn come here to make an offer. I'll never trade Oledo for anything.
Hey, look at this wretched man. Have you seen this kind of money in your life before?
I'm mad.
Come and take this money, yo. See, let me tell you, you will end up losing Oledo and even this money too. Look at this wretched man. Have you seen this money in your life before? Help yourself first, and that's why. Don't worry, we shall see in this village. Don't worry now, we'll see in this village. On the drive now.
Mama!
Honey,
Mama?
you're back. You got a boss already?
Yes, Mama.
Thank God.
I finally found the boss. So, Mama, let me quickly load the drinks. Then I'll send for my uncles.
It's okay.
I'm sure they're waiting for me now.
Oledo's mother was here.
Huh?
Yes, she was here and threatening me.
Mama, who?
Oledo's mother.
Hi.
No, please. Don't let it bother you, okay? Don't let it bother you.
Mama, I don't want that woman to embarrass me.
She is just bitter for nothing. You are going to meet the father, not the mother. The father is the only person that has the right to accept or reject you. Don't bother yourself, okay? Be cousin.
Okay. And she has her father's support.
Yes. And that is why I said you should not bother. Go and load the drinks.
Okay, Mama, let me quickly load.
Come and help my son,
Put it inside so that there will be space. Wait for me, Give me 10 minutes.
Let me get ready. Mama.
Nah, thank you. You can come and sit down here.
As I go on. What brought you to my abode?
So, my sister here needs your help.
Let her speak for herself.
Evening.
We don't stop. Give me spark now. I want for you to smoke, I beg.
I saw a bina.
Yeah, let's say they look this one before you they bring them on. I don't know what you they do.
When I wake up now, man, I'm going to play. Let everybody go market.
This early morning.
Don't spoil this my arrangement.
Like I hear say, I know win. I'm not collect two.
This early morning.
Collect two, Oga.
I work for you. You know I'm not going anywhere.
She said last year when I play at the local. One pick another two.
No, I know they're not going to do like that now.
Oga pick two. Go market. Go market, Oga.
Cover my card complete. I wish I will go market.
Hold on. Okay. Right, go market. No, they put out for my even.
Okay, why
You don't move.
Go market, Oga.
Guy, if no get collect, you collect market. Okay. What you want to go? Market, big.
Nah, Baba. How do you jog out to open?
Last card, big. Pick two.
One I go change them.
Last card. Guy, we look two. Guy, pair bar. What if man?
I need cross. The lab yourself.
Collect a voice song. This is the joke. Hey. Come on, job boys.
Now one
I go you 5%.
Come on.
Should be if you say na you're right, Abby. You say na you're right.
Share. Give me, can I go shop? Oh, see the one you heard, Zev. You know what? See, I'm here. Not behind this one. Deco.
You feel it, Abby. You feel Abby.
Share this in now. What they do, what you do?
Collect now.
This is your pattern.
I'll drop one. I'll finish it today.
I remember everybody go market.
Yeah?
Guy, go market now.
I don't go market now.
Let this guy go market
Guy,
now.
no go any market. Go market now. Nah, lie, okay.
I was looking at you. Go market now.
But you they talk now.
Which kind of I collect?
Nah, me first collect. You never collect.
Because I won't win. Because collect game now.
Count your game. 1, 2, 3.
Billionaire, where you collect your card
I
now.
don't collect card already.
Guys, see money they here.
I'll collect my money back.
Money they here.
No, do this
So
one.
you don't want to collect because you see I won't win, Abby. Because I won't win. But I don't pack this money. I don't pack this money now. I don't pack them now. You can't tell me that one. I don't pack them. I said I don't pack them. Why you don't go market now? But meet this guy, make you give you your money.
No, but
this guy give you your money. No, I go. No, I don't.
What you they talk, say?
No, I don't pack the money. Oga, this one you're dusting everywhere and cleaning shears, what is it for? Oga! Oga! Why are you cleaning the shears? Are you expecting anybody?
I thought you had eyes. Yes, we're expecting visitors. Papa asked me to dust the chairs.
And you accepted? No, you accepted. Don't tell me you've decided to join them to give my only sister out to a low life. Don't tell me you've joined them.
Brother, let me tell you something. That man that you are seeing as a low life, he has something doing for himself.
Oh.
At least he can take care of himself and our sister. You. What can you do? Or what do you do?
So you are talking to me, eh? Utwacha, the next time you will talk to me anyhow, eh? I will forget that you're my brother. And then, if you know that you're my brother now, rush now. Now scatter this year now. Take them out of this place now. What? Listen, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Let's go whoever now. Eh?
And what is happening here?
Papa, I'm not whoever now.
Now both of you separate.
Take your
hands off him. Come this way. This way. Come this way. Chidi, what is the problem?
Papa,
Papa, you will not ask Chidi. You will not ask Chidi. I am the one you should ask. I'm your first son. I'm the first person you knew before him.
Will you shut your trap? Shut that thing you called mouth. Chidi,
Papa,
what is the problem? What happened?
Papa, is it not this hippopotamus?
You are calling me hippopotamus? You are calling me hippopotamus? Yeah, Papa. This boy is calling me. Papa,
Stop that rubbish.
Papa, leave me.
So my presence makes no meaning to you.
You Abi. What?
I'm Obi. I will slap the living daylight out of you now. Now drop that rubbish. Drop it.
Papa, leave me. Papa, leave me. Leave me alone, Papa. You just want to bother me now.
You have the maggot man to tell me that you are the elder person in this house. Elder son indeed. Have you been able to look at yourself in the mirror? Have you? Big muscles with nothing in your brain. The only thing you have here is sawdust. You have only sawdust in your brain. And you call yourself my son. You are pushing me to the wall. Huh? Papa, what will make me proud that I have a son like you? The only thing you do is to pulambulate, jonquette, and pussificate around. Gallivanting.
If I pussificate, I resemble somebody. Papa, and that must be you. That must be you.
That is why I said you have sawdust in your brain. We are now beginning to rub shoulder of equality in this house.
Papa.
If you don't take your time, I will disown you.
Papa.
All muscles, no brain.
Papa. You Abi. You. Otomano carrot. You Abi.
I know where you're going to.
Papa.
I know you're going to meet with those bad boys in that village.
Papa.
You are a total biological mutation.
Papa,
you are not my son.
I look like you. Papa! How many times did I call you? Papa? Go back to your father's house. I am in my father's house. Go back to your father's house. I am in my father's house. You don't want to tell us about your youthful age, Abi? You think we don't know?
Look at you.
Papa, somebody is behaving like you.
Listen on
behaving like you, Papa. Look, we can go to your father's house. This is my father's house.
I refuse to be ashamed of you. Don't ever emulate him.
Never.
He is a total biological mutation. That he resembles me.
He's lying.
Go and continue with what you're doing. Don't mind that buffoon. Rubbish.
Now you are all set for your big day.
Thank you so much. See how
gorgeous you're looking.
Thank you.
Onyeka, hurry up! Road is too far. It's okay. Look, I'm going to
This is allow him to take his time.
Just imagine. The road is too far. It's too far.
It's not far. Is it not the next village? You're always in a hurry.
Onyeka!
Uncle! You're always in a hurry. Calm down.
No, man, can't come.
Look at him, he's here now.
What is that? Udorikwa. Eh? Onyeka! Udorikwa. What are you wearing? Eh? Nki yi nka ifi yi kita, ijikwa ego iju emego nwanyi. Eh? Koki yellow tire bang. Eh?
It's enough. It's enough.
Go come to the quantity.
In a year ago,
it's okay now. Oh, yeah, you go on your car. Come out, Bible. But that's on the wiper. I get you on I couldn't hear. Come on, let's
go. Let's go. Are you not going?
Mama, I don't like this your idea. Eh? Why are you not coming with me now?
It is tradition, my nephew.
Uncle, what type of tradition is this that won't allow my mother come with me to my introduction?
Nah, don't worry. You know I will definitely go with you. Eh? Not today, but at the right time. Until the marriage rites are over. Biko, don't worry.
The problem is that so let's go. Let's be going.
Let us go. Let us go.
Don't worry. Eh? You know I'll definitely go with you.
Let us go.
But not today. At the right time, after the marriage.
Let's go now.
Oh, yeah, can I what I say? Madam, go.
She cannot go with us.
Oh, yeah. Come this side.
Wait. Come with me.
I got you there first.
The butterfly that thinks itself a bird. Today, you shall experience my sting. And your miserable life will never remain the same again.
What is going on?
The
motor not good start.
What does that mean?
My friend said this boss. We don't have time. Driver!
What nonsense is this now?
Come down. check the battery now. Everyone, let's come down.
Driver, what is happening?
What is all this? Driver, come on, check the battery. You sure I'm not going to have anywhere?
Driver, what is going on?
The motor not green start.
How?
The motor one can't come here just now. I don't know.
You know what in
no.
Ekuroja Ugomota.
Part payment.
Part
I gave him half of his money.
Part payment. Okay. Are you sure you pay for this motor, Nyeka?
I don't pay him.
Okay, if you pay the man, if you make sure you say you pay this man, why you can't carry scrap? Come here.
Hey.
Scrap.
Is this a scrap?
Driver, start the car now. I'm late for my introduction. Checking on it.
Yeah.
Driver, what is going on?
What is going on?
You look. Who? Ah, Chidi.
Sister.
Are they here now?
No, sister, not yet. But I believe they will soon be here.
But it's getting late. What is keeping them?
Sister.
Look, just calm down, okay? You don't need to get yourself all worked up. It's your big day. They will soon be here. I'm sure of that. They will soon be here. Don't stress yourself. Why are they not here yet? It's getting late.
Sister.
Listen, Chidi, please. Can you go to his house and know what is keeping him? Please.
Okay, sister, I promise you in the next 30 minutes, if they're not here, I'll personally go to their house and find out why.
Better. Okay. So can you just calm down now? Okay? I don't need to see that stress. I don't want to see that stress on your face, please. Okay, I'm calm.
Look how beautiful you look.
Thank you. Trust me, he will be here. We would have a pretty damsel like you and just ignore you on your big day. Thank you. Don't worry.
What is going on? What are you up to?
Depends on what you mean by that.
You're dressing up. What's the occasion?
Did you really ask that? Aren't you the person that invited people to your house today? Oh. Okay, I am dressing up to get ready to receive them. In case you don't want me to be there, I can as well remove my clothes.
No,
go lie down in my room.
No, please. Just forgive my memories. Okay? Please. I'm sorry for asking.
Then don't ask again.
But come to think of it, Evelyn, are you not the one that has been so negative about my daughter getting married to Onyeka? You've not been in support.
Of course.
What happened?
Of course I have not been in support. And I will never be in support. Never. I am getting ready to receive them. Since that is what you and your daughter want.
What?
Let me honor it.
Our daughter wants.
No. You are the chief decision maker in this matter. What you want. You are the supporter, main supporter. That is what you want.
Evelyn, I want the best for my daughter.
And I want the worst for our daughter. Don't make me angry. Allow me to dress up in peace, else I'll remove my clothes. What's that?
I'm sorry. Thanks for your understanding. Come to think, easy is only from snakes we hear this sound. Easy. I've been wondering what is holding my in-laws from being here now. They're supposed to be here by now.
Who knows? If our prospective son-in-law remembered what he was supposed to do today.
Excuse me.
You're quite excused. Shh. Get away. Then I'm one.
My uncles, please, I'm sorry for the delay. I had to go to Nkwon Market to get another bus. He will soon be here. He stopped over to buy fuel, but he will soon be here. Please, exercise patience. Mama, I saw him on my way back. He's even upset with me. He said I didn't invite him.
Mama, it's somehow. Mama, how can my best friend go for his marriage introduction without inviting me? I'm recording.
Nah, because, Butu. You know that the mind of someone that is preparing for an event is always scattered. So forgive him,
Mama, I've been begging Ifeanyi. I don't know why he's still frowning.
Ifeanyi. Ifeanyi. Did you give him money to buy this thing? Or Koguma got telling?
Answer the question. I did not give him any money, but somehow he's my best friend.
I get to tell him, mana. Whether you will be give us a
please now, Stop that. He's his best friend. It's okay.
Uncle, it's okay.
He's his best friend.
Ifeanyi, please, can I use your bike? Can I borrow your bike? I want to take these drinks to Oledo's place. I'm sure they are waiting for me.
You know how to ride bike?
If I know how to ride a bike.
If I can ride the bike. Go, let me assist you.
Is it one that you will carry?
One. Asi na mgbake gbọbọnya n'ive. Ọ kwadago nwa bụ afọ ime na anya ikpu alọ. Onye na-akpọ nkwa n'ive ọ na-eme. O ruo mgbe eji atụwa nwoke ime n'azụ ụlọ ka agba mmadụ ose. Ewefe ofeke n'azụ. O ruo mgbe eji atụwa nwoke ime. Ma ive ahụ eji wee mara gị.
Where are you coming from?
I went to going to see someone there, Jerry.
Oh, okay.
How are you doing now?
I'm okay.
I didn't see you at the women's meeting yesterday. What happened?
Hey, Nkiru. With which face? Ha! I can't even show my face in that meeting. I owe a lot. I don't even know how to pay my debts. My dear, that is why I did not show up.
But I told you to come. I told you to come. Down women are not as wicked as you think. They know what you're going through. They even discussed about you in the meeting.
What did you just say? So I am now their topic in that meeting.
No. Don't misunderstand this, please. They know what you're going through and they want to help you. There's no way you will have a rich brother that cannot take care of you and afford your needs.
Nkiru, am I supposed to be the one to force a man to bring out money from his own pocket? Am I?
Some women are even willing to contribute money for you.
No. I don't even think my husband will want any form of contribution from me. I don't think so at all.
They are not contributing money for your husband. They are contributing money for you. His opinion doesn't matter in this.
Okay.
You went to the farm with your children. They didn't go to school today.
School fees issues. The same thing.
My sister, he's well. God will see you through, eh? He's well.
Amen. Let me run, please, eh? I need to make food for them.
Alright, I'll come to the house later in the day.
Thank you.
Take care of yourself, eh?
I will.
Alright.
I want you to go and know why they are not here yet. Please.
Okay.
Please.
Okay, sister. Please stay calm, okay?
Just go, please.
Please don't worry too much.
Where is Chidi going to?
Father, I want him to find out why Onyeka and his people are not here yet. Look at the time. I am worried. I just hope that nothing bad has happened again.
I am as well worried. Okay? But all the same, don't be perturbed. I know one or two things may be holding them. But be rest assured they will be here very soon. Don't panic, okay? Just sit down. Let's wait. Nothing is happening, my daughter. Sit. Sit. Relax.
Wait. I thought Onyeka said the new boss will soon be here. So what is keeping him?
Even Onyeka, who went to drop the drink, is not yet back. Who knows what is happening?
Ifeanyi. So your brain not tell you say you supposed to go look for your friend that be your brother.
There's no need going to look for him. He will soon be back now. He will soon come back.
Onyeka is coming.
There is trouble.
What is it? Agreement.
There is trouble. There is trouble. Oh, there is trouble.
What happened?
There is trouble.
What's trouble?
Trouble. Why on the mountain? Oh, hey.
Talk. What is
now?
Talk.
Speak now. Talk. Trouble.
Okay. Mama, elders, there is trouble. Oh, there is trouble. There is trouble. Oh, there is trouble.
What happened?
Okay. It's Onyeka.
Onyeka, what happened to him?
Mama Onyeka.
What happened to Onyeka? What happened to him?
Something very terrible happened. Onyeka had an accident.
Onyeka,
yes. He even killed a very little baby.
Onyeka, kill somebody.
Yes.
Hey, kill
somebody. Mama.
Onyeka. Mama, get up. Mama.
Chidi, what did you just say? Huh? Chidi,
Is this a joke or something? Hey!
Mama, I can't believe this.
Hey!
Wow.
Ewo!
What is it?
Ewo!
Mother, why are you shouting? What happened?
Sister, please can you just sit down?
Yes, I just try to sit.
I don't want to sit down. If you have anything to say, out with it.
Oga talk now. Tell her.
I don't know.
Sister, what? What is it?
It's Onyeka.
Onyeka? Obim, what happened to him? What happened to Onyeka?
On my way to his house, there was an accident scene. Out of curiosity, I went closer. He knocked down a little girl and the girl died on the spot.
Hey!
No. I don't try this, sir.
Why is this happening to me? Why me, Ojugo? Let me help myself. Why me? Eh? Who have I offended? Why is my only son passing through all these pains? Eh? What kind of misfortune is this? Eh? Now that Onyeka is ready to get married. The devil is just wicked. Eh? Hi. It's okay. It's okay. Why is life so mean to me? Why? My only son. Eh? Who have I offended, God? Who have I offended? Onyeka mejolo. Onyeka mejolo. Onyeka mejolo. Onyeka mejolo. Yeah. Calm down. Hey. Huh. And the worst of all is that the police refused me seeing my son. My own son. Why? Eh? You know the police of Nigeria. You know the police of this country. Why would they do that? Why? Eh? That I will not see my only son. You know the police of this country, eh? Wait. Ojugo, do you think they have killed my son? No, don't go there. Eh? Don't go there. Just remove that one from me. Then why did they refuse me of seeing him? Remove that one from your thoughts. They cannot hurt him. Eh? Knowing fully what happened. Hey! And people were saying that the little girl did not look well. Hey! They can't hurt him. Remove that one from your thoughts. Let it not be that they have killed my son. No. They will not. I just feel like killing myself. Hey, how do I face this? Eh? Ojugo, how do I go through all this? Eh? My son does not find anyone's problem or trouble. Hey! I know him. He's okay. Yeah? Chimo! Chimo! Ofumuranya jikwani isi ugwo. Onwekwa onye ọzọ nwere o. Onwekwa onye ọzọ nwere o. Onwekwa onye mmejọrọ. Onwekwa onye mmejọrọ. God, come and help me o. Come and help me o. Vindicate my son o. Hey!
Adanda, you should be thanking God that Onyeka boy was not carrying you on that motorcycle. Eh? If not, by now, you will be cool enough in the police cell with him. Eh? Who even gave that boy that motorcycle? He should just remain with his bicycle, OJ Eliza. What is all this now? Eh? See, nobody in his right senses would identify with a failure. Nobody.
Will you just stop making her cry?
Ha! Oh, ole dana agwo gi bi na eto afọ. Wow.
See what you've caused, Abi.
No,
I hope you see what you've caused. Amobi, I don't understand the way you reason at all. Your sister is grieving and you are making her grieve the more. What kind of a brother does that?
What do you know? Chidi, what do you know? What does she also know? Nothing. See, I am the elder brother. So I am more experienced in life than both of you. You should be listening to me. Ngala. You want to go and marry that failure.
So you now you think that covering Papa's cab makes you have sense? It doesn't have a pin sense to your score. Let me tell you something, Amobi. As far as this house is concerned, you have to love your sister. That's the way brothers do.
Even when she's making the wrong choice. Abi, you are calming her down. Mugu.
Wait. Did you think that you are successful? Trying to find someone who is suitable for her? You are not successful. You are just a lazy man. Like she said, let her be. Let her be.
Onuku Egala. Onuku. Now let me remind you in case you've forgotten. I am the first issue. In fact, I am the first son of this house. And that automatically makes me the owner of everything that my father has acquired with Big Grandma. Did you hear me? So by the time he bows out, I will gather everything in my name. And if I like, maybe in Chole, maybe 50 by 100, then you go and start life. Or better still, I'll just throw you out. So be careful and be mindful of your words. Else you won't get Bishakom.
You are a lazy man. That is just the thinking.
C'est pas poison comme moi que vous. Attends. After crying, make sure you bring my food. Simple.
Thank you. I don't like this. I don't. What kind of nonsense is this?
Nkem, you sound as if I was the one that suggested they make a contribution for us.
Let no one contribute a kobo for me. What kind of embarrassment is this?
I was surprised when Ogechi said that to me.
But I still blame you. If you had kept your mouth shut about what we are passing through in this our family, this wouldn't have happened.
But I didn't tell...
Please don't deny it. Please. When you go around telling all the women of Umwedang that your husband cannot feed you and the kids, and you know that it hurts my pride as a man. Now you've busted their mockery that looks like a consent.
Enough. Enough. I don't appreciate or like the way you're talking. Why are you accusing me of what I didn't say or what I didn't do? Okay, what if I said that? Don't we need help? Don't we?
I don't like you insulting and embarrassing my image in public.
Oh, please.
I don't like it.
Please. I don't like the way you're talking right now. I don't.
I'm sure you are happy. You're happy now that everybody's talking about us. Talking about your family and my family. I'm sure you are happy now that you and your accursed son have succeeded in denting the image of my reputable family. A reputation we have built all through our lives. You're happy now people are talking about us. That there's an issue in my family, impeccable family, that made their son-in-law to be to have a misfortune, see a misfortune on his way when he's coming to get married there. Angelina, thank you. Thank you very, very much. Thank you for renewing my life.
Oh God. You know the accident was not intentional. It can happen to anyone.
Oh, shut up. Have you forgotten I came here to beg you, to warn you that this marriage is not going to work? Because I know my instinct. My instinct has never deceived me for once. I warned you. That you see this marriage you're planning, this intended visit, your son should have bought it and not come to my house. But instead of you listening to me, you chose to insult yourself in the name of you insulting me. Angelina, who is suffering now? Who is crying now? This is morning of the crying. Mark today's date. Evelyn will never forgive you and your son. Because this is the beginning of your woes, of your troubles. Your suffering just begun. Idiotic woman. That is what people that do not have sense go through. Pain. Idiots.
Hi, Chimo. Chim. Onye ka anyị mejọlụ, onye ka anyị mejọlụ. Onye ka anyị mejọlụ, Chimo. Hey. Hey.
I told you that before.
Come on, sister, please. You've not eaten anything since yesterday. I insist.
I don't care about food. I don't know what is happening to Onyeka in that police station. I'm sure he has not eaten, so why should I eat?
Because you need all the strength in this world in order to save him. And how can you do this without eating?
Yes. I have to save him. Yes. I need to save him.
Yes, sister.
Yes.
So, can you just eat? Because you need the strength. How do you intend to do this on an empty stomach? Sister. Sister, please. Just a spoon. Sister.